Hi everyone, and welcome to Island Block. Now in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can buy any coin on Binance. Now this is just a short video to show you how to buy. If you need a more in-depth trading tutorial video, there's a trading tutorial video on our YouTube channel, so you can always check that out. But this is just to show you how to buy any coin you would like to buy on your Binance account. Now the first thing is you should have already deposited money on your Binance account. So let's say you would like to buy the coin with BTC or USDT, you should already have BTC or USDT available on your Binance account. Now the next step is for you to click on markets. Now let's say you would like to buy the coin called Matic. So you click on the search bar and type the name MATIC. Now another important thing is, what have you deposited already on your Binance account? Now if you have USDT on your Binance account, it means you'll be buying Matic with USDT. That is the trading pair. If you have BUSD on your Binance account, that would mean that you'll be buying Matic with BUSD. And if you have BTC on your Binance trading account, then you click on this, so you buy Matic with BTC. Now let's say I have USDT on my Binance account, so I click on the first one, which is Matic USDT. Now the next thing for me to do will be to click on buy. And now here is where I can place my buy order. Now it's one of two things. You can either place a buy order to buy at the current market price, or you can place a buy order that would buy it when it hits a particular price target. Let's say I would like to buy it at this current market price, which is $1.22 US. I can come over here and change it from limit to market order. So what have I done? This way, I have set my order to automatically buy at the current best available price. So all I have to do is, I'll just click or enter how many USDT I would like to spend. So let's say I would like to buy $1,000 worth of the coin. So I'll just enter the amount and click buy Matic. And that is all. Now instead, let's say I would like to place a buy order. Let's say I'm interested in buying this coin when it falls to $1.1 US. All I have to do is I come back here and I click on limit, and I set this price to the price I would like to buy it at. So I said I would like to buy it at $1.1 US. So I put it at 1.1. And here I enter the amount of USDT I would like to spend. Let's say I would like to spend $1,000. And I can click on buy Matic. Now what does this do? This would help me place a buy order. Because it is not currently trading at this price, it would not buy it immediately. So what it does is, it places my buy order for me, and when it eventually hits that price, if it eventually hits that price, then it will automatically execute the order and buy the coin for me. So it's either it falls to 1.1 and hits my order and triggers the order and automatically buys the coin, or it doesn't fall and it just keeps going up. So like I said, if you're interested in buying it immediately without wasting time, you change it to markets. And if you would like to buy it when it falls to a certain target price, you change it to the limit, enter the price you'd like to buy it at, enter the amount you'd like to buy or how much in USDT you'd like to spend, and click buy. And that is all. Now the same also applies for BTC. Now let's say I would like to buy Matic with BTC. Let's say I'm holding some Bitcoin and I would like to buy Matic with BTC instead of USDT. So I click on BTC, I click buy, and I can also apply the same process. enter the amount of Matic I would like to buy in case I want to buy it at a certain price, and then click on buy. Or if I want to buy it at the current market price, I just enter how many BTC I would like to spend. That is how to buy any coin on Binance. Thank you so much for watching, and do have an awesome time. Bye-bye.